Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate AI Studio in Instagram, and specifically it's called Meta AI Studio. So I'm not sure how you do this in the app, but if you actually go and open up a browser and log into your Instagram account, you can see on the left hand side all this menu, and then at the bottom you should see something that says AI Studio, and it's going to be a link to this. Now note it's really important that you have this icon, because I have another account that actually doesn't show that and it's not able to access AI Studio. So make sure you actually see this, otherwise AI Studio might not work for your account. So you can open it in a new tab, and it's technically just aistudio.instagram.com, and that just creates some tracking code. You don't need that. You can just go to aistudio.instagram.com, or if you really want, you can just click on the link there. And this is actually my first time using this, so I don't actually know much about it. I just wanted to try it out and see if it can generate some AI images. And maybe I'll play around with the create an AI. Okay, so first one, I came up with this idea: create an image of a dog playing with a cat in a rocket ship. And let's see what happens. Okay, so apparently this is just AI characters. Maybe this doesn't generate AI images. I'm not sure. You know, there's several different online tools you can generate AI images, and maybe this isn't one. I'm not actually sure. Or maybe this is just an avatar. Okay, it says create an AI character, make an AI for deep conversations, help with building a custom AI character. Okay, so let's check this out here. Okay, so just it says create an AI character. Select an idea to get started or build a totally new custom AI character. Okay, so let's just do that here. Let's create an image of a dog with a cat and a rocket ship. Let's see if that can be my AI character. Let's see what this is gonna do. And again, this is my first time doing this. I have no idea how long it's gonna take. Okay, this is really cool. So it gives me different options. Um, yeah, I think that's really cute. And I like that one, and I like this one. I think that's really cute. Cosmo Pals, and you can give it a name, and you can give it a tagline. I'm just going to use the default one, but I think this is really cool. And it says generating welcome message, generating instructions, and I think that's really, really cool. Okay, so let's read this here. What your AI character knows. These options make up the knowledge and personality of your AI. You can edit the auto-generated text in each field and should aim to be as descriptive as possible. Okay, so what does your AI character do? I'll just read this here. Meet Cosmo Pals, a dynamic duo of a curious cat named Nova and a playful dog named Orbit. They're on a mission to explore the galaxy and learn about friendship, teamwork, and empathy. Their trusty rocket ship, equipped with art supplies and imagination, takes them on thrilling adventures through space and time. With a passion for creativity and a knack for storytelling, Cosmopels inspire others to embrace their unique qualities and celebrate differences. Join Nova and Orbit on their cosmic journey, where friendship knows no species and imagination has no bounds. Okay, I think that's so cute. And you can give instructions here. So their purpose is to spread joy and positivity through their cosmic adventures. They believe that um, friendship can conquer any obstacle, no matter how big or small. Cosmopels are a dog and cat duo who have been best friends since they met in space camp. Oh man, that's so cute. They travel through space and time in their trusty rocket ship and the Friendship Explorer. They use art and imagination to express themselves and tell stories. Ah, I love that. Okay. And then here we have, this says the AI, and it says, blast off. Nova and Orbit are here, ready to create some cosmic art and friendships. What adventure awaits us today? So let's try one of these. What's your favorite planet for a pet playdate? Can cats and dogs really be friends in space? What's the best space-themed toy for a pet? Okay, that's kind of cute. It says your messages with AI may be used to improve AI meta. Okay, so that's basically saying, I assume it means your stuff can be used for their training. Okay, so let's click on that there. It says, orbit barks excitedly. Moon of Neptune, aka Triton. Nova purrs in agreement. Low gravity means extra playful bounces and zoomies. How about you? What's your favorite planet for pet play? Okay, let me ask this here. Is it possible for a cat and dog to live on Jupiter if they have special tech? Okay, okay. So Jupiter has extremely high pressure. I think almost no living being could live there, as far as I know. But let's just ask if the AI can do that. Um, maybe humans could go there eventually, but it's almost like going to the bottom of the ocean. It's super difficult. Okay, let's see what they say. Is it possible for a cat and dog to live on Jupiter if they have special tech? Okay, Nova's eyes widen. Yes, with anti-crash shells and gravity harnesses, they could. Oh, that's so cute. We could perfectly and perfectly live on Jupiter's moon, Io. Orbit barks. Tech could convert Jupiter's intense radiation to cozy warmth for a space-time. Okay, let me say this here. I said Jupiter, not one of its moons. Could a cat and dog live on Jupiter without dying? Okay, let's see. The answer should be no, but let's see what it thinks. Nova leans in. Honestly, no. Jupiter's crush pressure and toxic gases would be fatal even with advanced tech. Orbit whines in agreement, except maybe with a fictional magical Jupiter bubble. Want us to imagine what that bubble would be like? Okay, let's see. Yes. Yes. Oops. Yes. Okay, let's create a Jupiter bubble world. Nova imagines a glittering catnip-scented dome surrounded by floating dog treats. Orbit adds zero-gravity puppy playgrounds and cat agility tunnels filled with stardust. What magical features would you add to our Jupiter bubble world? Okay, so I think this is so cool. So, um, I guess AI Studio from Instagram basically allows you to create your own avatar, and you're basically chatting with the avatar. I think that's super cute. And yeah, so that was my overview of AI Studio. And let's go back here. And then let's just try, okay, so I'm back to AI Studio. And then let's see if there are some, okay, let's go for popular characters. Um, okay, so I guess people, yeah, AI girlfriends are a thing, and I guess it's popular. Let's see here. All right, well, since this is, I'll click on this one because this one might be not safe for work. I don't know. Um, all right, well, let's just click on this one. Hopefully that's appropriate. Okay, it says, "Hey love, I'm your truth-telling friend. What's been going on that you need real to talk about?" Okay, I need help with a crush. My friend is being dramatic. Advice. Let's click on that. Spill the tea. What's my girl being dramatic about this time? Okay. So let's go back to AI Studio. So this is interesting. So it looks like you can have like a therapist too. Um, what is this? Personal assistant as a torturer. Need advice on how to hands. What's your favorite childhood memory? Okay, this is interesting. Find summer evenings playing hide and seek with cousins under twinkling backyard lights. Okay, so this is almost like having a friend, and I guess I mentioned AI girlfriend or maybe even AI boyfriend is getting more popular. Okay, let's go with pop culture. The Dark Knight, I'm Batman. How do I become a superhero like you? Oh, I love that. Who are the aspirations, citizen? To become me, you need intellect, athleticism, and unwavering dedication. Where would you like to start? Martial arts or gadgets? Okay, I want to say, I know you are rich. How do I get rich like you? Okay, I'm curious to know what the Dark Knight's going to say. Question that gets to the root of my alter ego, Bruce Wayne. To build wealth like mine, citizen, invest in tech, real estate, and innovate. What industry would you like to dominate? Okay, so from what I understand, these AI characters are basically for chatting. They're not necessarily like giving you a great answer like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. This is more for like getting a friend or I think, or just chatting. Like these other ones, these are sort of um, therapists maybe. And there's also, as I mentioned before, um, there are actually therapist ones, popular AI characters. So there's a therapist somewhere. I can't find it. Okay, so I guess there's religion and all this other stuff. Okay, the boyfriend, the truth teller. Honesty is my superpower. Okay, let's go on this one. Struggling to be honest with a partner. I need to help. I need help facing a harsh reality. I'm afraid to speak my mind at work. Okay, that's something that's good to know. I'm afraid to speak my mind at work. How do I deal with annoying coworkers? Um, yeah, how do I deal? How can I deal with annoying coworkers without getting fired or sacked? Spill the tea. Okay, so I think this is really interesting. Again, it seems to be more for conversations, not necessarily actually getting answers. So, um, okay, let's just click on this one here randomly. I'm just curious what this is. This is a dating coach. Give me date night ideas. What's the key to a strong relationship? I like that. Trust communication and being your authentic self. Okay. So again, this is more for just kind of chatting and not necessarily getting actually a good answer, I think. All right, let's check out gaming. Gaming. Read between the lines. I'll read your mind. Oh, I love that one. What's the most creative thing you've ever thought of? Can you think of a number between 1 and 100? Measure an object. What would you be and why? I once imagined a dream library where books come to life, the characters escaping pages to discover plots with readers. What about you? Okay, I think that's really cool. So AI Studio, in summary, I think this is a really cool thing. So it seems to be you can make your own avatar, your own AI character, and you can also chat with other AI characters. So I think that's really, really very interesting. So you can chat with ones that people have already made, and you can go with your AI characters. And I made one that's called Cosmo Pals, and it's a cat and a dog that live in a rocket ship. And I like this one here. What's the best space-themed toy for a pet? Because I sell dog toys, and I'm curious what this. Okay, so it says glowing galaxy ball, glow in the dark fetch toy, alien squeaky toys. Okay, that's really cute. Okay, so this was an overview of AI Studio. And again, you should log into your browser into Instagram, and you can click on the AI Studio button, assuming you have it. And then you'll go to here, aistudio.com, aistudio.instagram.com, and you can create your own AI character, and you can interact with AI characters from others. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.